Hello, YouTube subscribers. I've got something here today that is not lemonade, okay? This is fresh squeezed sugarcane juice. Oh, this stuff is fantastic. Now, this is what white table sugar is made from. We just get the crystals that are actually clear, but they look white, but they come from here. And I planted some sugar cane here many moons ago, and now I got two spots where I have sugar cane, and I just got I've got a hand crank sugar cane machine, and I just got it set up again. So I'll show you that next time. I've got it set up in my garage. So I'll make a video showing how I get this incredible stuff. There are so many benefits to sugarcane juice. Here's just some. It's a natural, nutrient-rich beverage that can offer benefits like instant energy and hydration. I'll never forget many moons ago when our two daughters were living with my wife and I, and we went through a hurricane. Man, do you hear that bird? He won't stop. Okay, we've heard you. Don't worry. You know what happens. There's another bird that they're protecting their nest, okay? So maybe a hawk or something is near there, and they have eggs in the nest, and they'll just squawk, and they'll go after those hawks. They'll chase them. Anyway, all right. It gives you instant energy and hydration, especially when consumed fresh. So today I juiced about a gallon. I got a gallon in plastic jars in my fridge. So it went right in the fridge. I'm going to drink this one in a little bit. I got a lesson coming up at 4:30, and I want to give my tennis student a little taste. So what are the benefits? Boosts energy, okay? The natural sugars are absorbed by the body, providing a quick and effective energy boost to combat fatigue. Aids hydration. Sugarcane juice has a high water content and is a good source of electrolytes such as potassium. This makes it an effective and refreshing way to rehydrate, especially in hot weather or after physical activity. It provides antioxidants. Sugarcane contains phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which act as antioxidants to protect the body from cell-damaging free radicals. These properties may help reduce oxidative stress and support overall well-being. Here's a key one. Supports liver health. That's amazing. According to some research, sugarcane juice contains natural liver-protecting properties from its antioxidants that may help strengthen liver function. It boosts immunity. The juice contains nutrients like vitamin C and antioxidants that may help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Supports digestion. The fiber in sugarcane juice can help promote regular bowel movements, and its potassium content can help balance the stomach's pH levels. That's amazing. It balances the pH. So sugar is more neutral, because a lot of people say sugar's acid. It creates acid. It does not. It's neutral. And I thought it was amazing that, that's amazing. Anyway, it supports digestion. The fiber in sugarcane juice can help promote regular bowel movements, and its potassium content can help balance I think I just read that one. Balance the stomach's pH levels. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, some other things. It may support kidney health. As a natural diuretic, sugarcane juice can help flush toxins and prevent urinary tract infections. And even kidney stones can help it prevent. It provides essential minerals. Sugarcane juice contains minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for bone health, muscle function, and red cell production. It's rich in vitamins. The juice is a source of various vitamins, including the B complex vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6, and of course vitamin C. So it's got so many benefits, you know, and I'm glad I have this sugar cane in my yard because, you know, if you've ever tasted it, it's absolutely delicious. And did I finish that story about the, no, I don't think I did, about the hurricane. My two daughters were living with my wife and I here many moons ago, and we had a hurricane. When hurricanes come through, if you've ever been through a hurricane, there's tremendous amount of cleanup in the yard. You got branches all over the place. Sometimes you got trees all down. So there's a lot of cleanup to do. And one day we were cleaning up after a hurricane, and we were getting tired. We had been at it almost all day. So I cut one of those sugar canes, and we cut it in half, and then we were chewing on it like beavers and sucking the juice out of it. Oh man, we got a second wind like you would not believe. We were like, come on, we can finish this today. So we kept cleaning up for another 2 or 3 hours. So it's a fantastic juice. There's no doubt about it. The fact that it helps your liver, I like that because back in the day, many moons ago, I used to drink, you know, quite a bit. Not like an alcoholic, but a weekend drinker, party time. And and here's another interesting thing that I found out about sugar. The main sugar molecule in fruit is sucrose. It's chemically the same as the white sugar on your table. Domino's white sugar, it's the same thing. But, of course, fruit contains other beneficial components like fiber, vitamins, and water. While white sugar is pure sucrose, fruit is a whole food that slows down sugar absorption, leading to a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to consuming the same amount of refined sugar. But personally, you know, 58 years of my life, I was on a high-fat diet, and I think people on a high-fat diet have a very difficult time hydrating their cells because everything is all gunked up and with all kinds of fat, okay? So I've been using white table sugar a la Freely the Banana Girl, and I find it's helped me. It's helped me hydrate more. And I'm peeing actually less. So I'm getting hydrated. And I like that. You know, people supplement with all kinds of things. You know, they're taking vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, B12, and a host of other supplements that are out there. You know, so why not supplement with these sun crystals? That's what white sugar is. They're sun crystals, and they come from here. This is an all-natural product. It wasn't something that was made in a laboratory. This is straight from the Creator. This is good stuff. So, I mean, you don't want to overdo it. You got to use common sense, you know, and, you know, I want to talk to Freely actually more about this. Like, you know, how do you know you're doing too much? You know, when to hold back. So I hope she makes a video on that. But, you know, it's funny that so many people are afraid of sugar. We've been kind of brainwashed. I mean, sugar in pastries and cakes and cookies, yes, that is not good because it's in there with fats. There's always oils in there and glutens and things like that, which make it an unhealthy sugar. But if you're just having a teaspoon in water, let's say, just a teaspoon in some, you know, good, clean, nice RO water, reverse osmosis water, it's perfectly fine for you. It goes straight to the cells, bringing the water with it. So, you know, the funny thing is that, you know, these ones that are so afraid of sugar, they're the same ones that will eat a protein bar. They'll buy it at the store and it's got 20 or 30 different ingredients in it. I think, you know, even a tablespoon of sugar in a 16-ounce glass with water, much better for you. Much better. So anyway, that's it. And next time I'm going to show you how I juice it. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about health advice, how to stay healthy, how to increase your longevity, exercises to do, different things that you should be doing to become healthier and increase your functionality and your longevity. So fruit up and don't be afraid of even some white sugar. You know, you could put it in water or add it to a smoothie because, you know, nowadays, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking the fruits are not quite, because they're mass producing everything, they're not quite as good as they used to be. Or if you're growing your own and you're, you know, you've got good soil or whatever it is, or you're fertilizing, and you're getting the full sugar content of that fruit. So anyway, talk to you next time. Have a great one and fruit up. Take care.